Well, Saturday morning, after a very busy week in work, I'm back in work. The joys. Well, that's been a busy morning after what started a very frosty morning. It's now just wet, miserable. Gonna lock up, head home, see what else we can get up to. Hello, Sky. Had a nice day out? Oh yeah. Want me dinner? Well, you look a bit soggy. Been having fun? Hey, look at here. Hey. Well, we've had a quick visit to the stables. I'm now in my workshop. Gonna see if we can fix this seat belt. It's all jammed up. I don't want to spend £500 of our customers' money trying to fix it. Not when their car's only worth about £1,000. Stupid price. So all that's failed is that button that sticks. Even though it does release sort of. Hopefully it's just seized or sticking with some dirt. See what we can do. I was going to try and fit this one in the car, but it's a little bit too short. Well, that seems better. Hopefully a bit of oil overnight would help that. Yes, they're your muddy footprints. Ah! Get down off there. Well, we've had a nice day today. Hope's been a little lunatic. I've got dinner in the oven. I'm going to say thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you all very soon. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more videos, please subscribe.